Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Finally made it to this episode. It's been a long time in the making. We have the RB25 back from the machine shop for the R32 Skyline. Let's get into it. Alright, so the RB is sitting just under this cover and Dad's down here to help out because I need two people to lift the bonnet off and like lower this bad boy in. But here is the reveal.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out.
Blue.
Blue. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at it.
I want to steal this.
Yeah. Oh man. So this RB25 engine, it's been in the making for so long I can't even remember half the stuff that's on it. Like, it's obviously forged oversized pistons, it's got cams, which is very exciting, and it's got pretty much everything is done to this except for like major port and polish to the head, but it's had some head work done. It should make crazy power for low boost, what I've been told, and every single line on the engine is all AN fittings except for the radiator hoses in and out. Everything else is AN fittings, like the whole lot, and that shit is expensive. We got the really nice Plasma Man intake plenum, and that thing is unreal. Got the LS1 alternator adapter conversion, whatever you want to call that, which is pretty cool because LS1 alternators are on the shelf. Hopefully they last longer than the ones that were in my LS. And then we got the oil drain, head drain at the back. First thing, put the clutch and gearbox on first and then lower this down, take the bonnet off and slide the engine straight in there. Can't wait to see what it looks like in there with the white engine bay and the blue covers and everything. It's just gonna pop real nice. So this is it. Very exciting. Got all the parts laid out that we need. Gearbox has been sitting on that dolly in that corner for like, we're talking years at this stage. And we're just about to put the clutch on, get to use my tool that I bought, which is pretty awesome. Boost Docks, I don't know if you've heard of them, but they have a bunch of cool little tools and parts for Nissans mainly. And this just goes on your flywheel there on the side, it locks it in place so you can tighten it down, which is really cool because otherwise you have to use a screwdriver or a pry bar or something in there with some bolts in the bell housing and try and like hold it, and it's difficult. So that's a great little tool, that one. Very excited to use that. So we're using the new what do you call it, like flywheel lockout bracket tool, and we'll see how it goes. Works good. I should go this way, hey. We've already done it with a couple of ugga-duggers. Oh, lucky to check this one. Needed more uggers on that.
Might have missed the ugga-duggers on that one.
Yeah, I might have missed it altogether. I'm glad it's not summer yet. Be hot doing this. Right, so after a couple of hours, me and Dad and I have got the gearbox on, or the clutch on, the gearbox on. Didn't forget to put the plate on this time, which is nice. Last time that sucked. Starter motors on, wiring harness on. That took the most time. Just fiddling with that, trying to get it all neat. There's so many plugs that aren't needed on this harness, even though it was a custom harness. They put on heaps of ones that I didn't ask for. I guess like I might use them in the future, but I don't think I will. Could have just cut the plugs off, but I'll just leave them there. You can't see them anyway. It's all tucked up there nicely with the zip ties. Yeah, and then a couple of things that were really difficult to do on the engine while it was in the car was putting the oil lines onto the adapter plate there. Very difficult. Put all the plugs on the wiring harness are very difficult. And yeah, we done as much as we could, like the radiator hoses, they're on there because they're hard to get to, and just yeah, everything that's difficult, pretty much as much as we could do. And yes, so now we are ready to put the engine into the car. It's very exciting. Also, the engine shop had like just the braided lines coming down with zip ties on them, and it passes like underneath the exhaust manifold. It has got ceramic coating on there, but it just seemed like it was a hot area, and I had this sitting around that's brand new, and yeah, we chucked that on there for now. I might change it to a black one if it stands out and looks ugly, but it might be fine once it's in the car. The little adapter plate to bolt on the side was exceptionally good. Very good product, highly recommend that. We've taken the bonnet off, and engine bay looks pretty cool now. The light bouncing off looks sick. So yeah, let's chuck this engine in. Very exciting.
Are you told away even about your guy? Are you told away even about your guy? Are you told away even about your guy? Are you told away even about your
Alright, update. The engine is in the engine bay with engine mounts in the location. These engine mounts are RB20 engine mounts on the RB20 crossmember, and man, they suck. I don't know if there's a different engine mount I can get, or just like get someone to custom make some, but like there's got to be an easier way. It's just real sucky. Like it went in, but because the engine's so long, had to go like in on an angle like this, and then once you get it all the way in, it's not like you can't push it in that way because the jack wouldn't slide. So ideally it would be good to have like a little one of those little jacks that like a gearbox jack. A gearbox jack would be perfect if it fit underneath the car, and then you could jack it from underneath, because we have the jack in the side here. It's the only spot we can get it in, and then obviously the wheels don't slide that way very good. So that was half the battle. Yeah, we got it in though. We ended up using a steel rod, putting it against the thread and just tapping it in while it had weight on it, so it dropped in the hole. But yeah, that little bitch is in. So now we've gone up on the hoist, and I'm going to go under there and bolt in the gearbox crossmember, and then take these covers off so we can see what it looks like.
Crush, Love, yeah, take a look around yourself and call out all the fake cunts. That's why I drink, smoke, crush, love. I could do this every night. I'm so in love with feeling numb. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Tell me what we're doing then. Swear we're in the same spot last week. Girl, you call me up and you're drunk as fuck, trying to run amok, start abusing me. But that's okay, cause I love you. Now back to my cage, I run too. Girl, I'd kill you if I had the chance, but I talk shit like a nun do. So I gun who? The man in the mirror. Get reborn as a man incredible. Shit, what happened? No fuck, can't remember. My mind's so gone, no, it's not any clearer. Then you'll see more to the world they get first. We're a good team, girl, you and me. Wait.
Wow. This is a moment. This is a milestone. This is massive. I've been building this engine for years. If any of you guys have been following along, it's been a journey. I have to do a video about what actually happened with this engine because it's been to so many engine shops, and hopefully that's the last engine shop we have to go to for this engine. It is a very expensive RB and it's not even stroked, but mate, look at this thing. It is just immaculate. It's like a piece of artwork. Like, holy shit, man. The white engine bay is not the best idea for a drift car, but same with the chrome and just like nice paint. It's just all show car spec, but yeah, I don't know. I guess I like making things look nice. Don't know how long it's gonna last like that, but I'll try and keep it clean. I know everyone's probably thinking, why would you do that? But I like building cars. It's like, I have a lot of fun building cars. I wouldn't say as much fun as driving, but a lot of fun building cars. So this is crazy. It hasn't really sunk in yet. I just took the blankets off and just looking at the engine in the car. I've envisioned this for so long and like manifested it, and now it's actually here. It's pretty surreal. It's crazy, and it's pretty early in the morning right now, so I'm wrecked. But yeah, I think we'll pick up tomorrow and keep going because this is crazy. Got this weekend to get everything hooked up on the car. Hopefully Hayden's coming out from Kamikaze to do the intercooler piping, some other bits and pieces fab work, because we've got a new intercooler and it's fat as. Thing is a beast. It's like double thickness. It's the big boy one. And then yeah, put everything in there. He's going to be cutting the holes in the tubs. Oh, check this out too. Look how close the clearance is on that. I could always clock the turbo if I had to, but that's close. And then check this out for clearance on this throttle body sensor. Like, I can't fit that finger through there and just fit my pinky through that gap. That is gnarly. Like, man. Whew. When the engine moves, I don't think it will touch there, but find out on the dyno when it's on full. Does the RB twist this way or that way, or does it not really? I don't know. I think it like lifts that way, so it might even touch there on like full torque, full load. But that's gnarly. And then once Hayden's done his bit, then Steve might be coming down next weekend to do the first start. Crazy. And the car's done. Like, seats are done, interior's done, and all the boot fuel system's done. So I just got to hook up everything to the engine bay, tick a few boxes, and then once it's all running, send it off to wheel alignment, because with the engine in here now, the weight of the engine is going to push the wheels down a bit further, so then we can get a wheel alignment accurate reading, accurate wheel alignment, and then get it sitting like really nice fitment. Then it will be off to the paint shop and they will be fitting the guards, hopefully get the guards fitting mint as, and then paint the exterior of the car its final colour. And we might make it to Matsuri, we might not. We'll see how we go. It's looking good now, looking promising. So thanks heaps for watching, guys. I hope you're as pumped as me. I don't sound pumped, but I am freaking pumped. I'm just ruined. I'm a mess right now. I'm wrecked. But yeah, if you like this episode, subscribe because there's more cool shit coming. And man, I'm just so stoked to show Enzo in the morning. He's keen to see it. And yeah, it's really cool. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at this for a while.